Okay, you guys, so let's start this simple DIY. This is super easy. Anybody can make it. I picked up these adorable little hearts at the Target dollar spot. They were only $3 and they are perfect for my Valentine's decor. I'm going to go ahead and use these around the house. I'm going to put these on my two-tier tray and just anywhere I need a little bit of Valentine's and they're going to match everything else I've been doing. So either it's going to be white, red, or pink. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you have your paint. We're just going to paint these. And this is a fun little project that anybody can do. It's super easy. Go ahead and bring your kids to the table and just have them paint with you. Go ahead and get your paint. Paint them any color you want. And they also hold little cards. So you can write a little message like, I love Valentine's. Give them to your kids. Tell them I love you. Put it next to their bed. And when they wake up, they are going to be so happy you gave them something for Valentine's. They're going to love it. Now, I wanted a white one. So I bought this white chalk paint, which you already know, at Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and paint one just plain white. I thought the white would be really pretty just to put against if I have a lot of pink or a lot of red somewhere. I'm going to add this little white heart there and it'll stand out beautiful. Just make sure when you paint this, you don't paint the sides, or it's optional. You could paint the whole thing white. You can paint the back of it another color. You can also paint it white. You can add some letters under that say hugs and kisses, kiss me. You can do so many things with these little signs and just get creative. And if you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. My link is down below. Or go ahead and message me down below or make a comment and say, Susie, I made these and they are adorable. Thank you. And look at how gorgeous that looks. Like a really beautiful white. Now the next one, I'm going to go ahead and add that pink because, I've been doing pink a lot for Valentine's, but I'm also loving the red. So I just decided to use both. Why not? So once it's dry, go ahead and put on another layer of the paint. I usually do two. In case I missed a little spot, you never know. Make sure you always do two coats of paint, even if it looks good the first time, just so when it dries, the color is really set on there and it doesn't go anywhere. Now, the good thing about these little hearts is if you change your mind, you can just paint it right on top and it looks very nice as well. They stand sideways, so they're perfect. You could put them on your two-tier tray. You could put them in the living room. You can put them in the kitchen. Anywhere you put these little hearts, they're going to stand out because they are cute, adorable, and they're a great size. So if you do happen to get your hands on them, buy a couple of boxes, buy like two or three, and then just put them away. They're great gifts if you want to give like the teacher, a coworker, or somebody you love on Valentine's would be happy to get a set of these. That way they could even put them up just like the wood color is really nice. You can also put them up like that. So you can do a million things with them. It's optional, but I decided to paint them. I thought they were so adorable. Look at how adorable they are. They're a great size as well. They're not too small or too big. They're medium. So anywhere you put them, they're going to stand out. They're adorable little hearts. Look at how easy the paint just glides on there. They made them really pretty and they actually made them really smooth. So I'm so happy I picked them up. Like I said, if you have a chance, go ahead and grab one or two boxes and then just put it away till you're ready to use it. And look at how fast they dry as well. So once it's dry, go ahead and give it another coat just to make sure that you got that color on there and that shine. This pink, I think it's a light pink. It's one of those little Easter colors, a pastel pink. I also picked it up at Walmart and I want to say it was 50 cents. So make sure you check out your Walmart. They have affordable paint at affordable prices. I think you get it for 50 cents. And they also have higher end paint. So they have everything you need. Plus they have the paintbrushes there right next to the paint, which I also picked up at Walmart. Once you're done with your little hearts, all you have to do is let them dry, let them set, and that's it. Place them anywhere you want. and they're gonna look gorgeous. You can add another color if you want to it. You can also add paper if you want to glue paper to the back of it and just change it up. It's optional. Now, this next little DIY is so simple and easy. All you need is some rice. You can add beans if you have beans, that would be perfect as well. Anything that's really heavy to keep these little bags down, and they're gonna be super cute. I decided to use a plastic Ziploc bags just so I could add the rice in there. And when I'm done, I could put the rice back and I didn't touch it or nothing, and I could still use it. You could put anything in here that's heavy. It's going to be like a little bean bag, basically. So all I'm adding is a couple of cups of rice, which is going to hold the bag down. This DIY is super easy. Anybody can make it. And it's super affordable. I got the rice I already had, the Ziploc bags I already had, and the little treat bags, I picked them up at the dollar store. Wait until you see them. They are so cute. And they have a ton of them. I thought this would be perfect for my two-tier tray, especially since I'm using red and pink colors for my Valentines this year. So I thought this was such a cute idea. Now, the next step I'm going to go ahead is I'm going to tie it in the middle because I want the rice to not move. And in case the little bag falls, I don't want the rice to move out of the bag. I want it to stay just where I put it. So I'm going to get a little tie and then just tie it super tight in the middle. I'm not even going to close the bag up. I'm going to leave it open. So it's really optional and it's up to you, however you want to make it. And all I'm going to do is do the same thing to the next bag and close it up. If you too happen to make this, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have more little easy and simple DIYs coming up. Now, these bags, I picked them up at the dollar store and I love them. These are perfect to give away. You could put a gift in there for the teacher, a gift card, some chocolates. You can add some money in there. And I decided to use them as a Valentine's decor. So look at how cute they are. I'm going to go ahead and use a pink one and also a red one for my two-tier tray. Look at the color on there. Oh my God, they're really cute. I decided when I saw them that this is what I was going to do with them. So all I'm going to do is add the bag in there with rice. I'm going to make sure it fits. And if it fits, it's going to stay. So yeah, you could put anything you have in there just to make the bag a little heavy and be able to shape it when you add it to your tray. Or anywhere you're going to put it. You can put this anywhere in your house and put these little bags. They even look like the farmhouse idea. So it'll look cute anywhere you put them. Put them in the living room, on your table, next to your centerpiece. And it's going to look like you have a little bag full of goodies. Look at how cute it stands up. So go ahead and buy some and make sure you add something in there that holds them down and gives them just a little bit of shape. Now, if you want to go ahead and just add the rice in there, you can do that as well if you're not going to reuse the rice, and it'll shape it even better. So this was just an idea that I came up with, and you can always change it up. And if you do or you find anything that's better than this, go ahead and comment down below. I love to hear new ideas and I'll try it if it works. Now, all I'm going to do is close the little ties and that's it. Look at how adorable this is. The heart looks so cute and it stands out. I love the idea of this just standing like it's a little sack of potatoes, or it has a bunch of chocolates in there. That is a great idea. Put a ton of chocolates in there. Give it to the teacher. Give it to a coworker. Give it to your loved one. Add a little gift card, and that is awesome. And until next time, bye, you guys.